Their problem also compounding this is you will not be getting out today because you have picked up an unauthorized use of a motor vehicle. Your bond is set at $10,000. So until you make that bond, you're kind of stuck in there.
They said they asked for extra 5 days. My turn.
It's still within the 30 days though, right, Amy?
Yes.
It's still within the 30 days.
Yeah.
So it's still, I mean, we're not doing anything to you.
So the extra
that's-
5 days that they okay, so what you mean by another?
So I don't know what the actual day that they're going to come. I have no idea. So I'm not going to commit to an answer for you because I just don't know what day they're actually going to come.
So that's doing 3 days.
Good morning, Mr. Abraham. Mr. Abraham, you're charged with theft. You're facing up to 6 months in jail and or a $2,000 fine. You guys have worked out an agreement. They're offering you 3 days in jail, credit for the 9 days that you've done. You need to understand that this charge will go on your record. It's going to be there for the rest of your life. You now will be facing a minimum of 90 days in jail for any new cases that you pick up. You also need to understand that this is an enhanceable offense. If you continue to pick up theft cases, at some point that will hit you with a felony offense, and then you're looking at years instead of days. You understand?
Yes, sir.
You're giving up the right to a trial, right to compel witnesses to testify on your behalf, confront, cross-examine your accusers. If you're not a citizen, there are possible immigration consequences. You can be deported, excluded from the country, denied naturalization. You give up the right to appeal. So once you plead guilty, you can never change this or undo this. Is this what you want to do?
Yes, sir.
How do you plead to the offense? Guilty or not guilty? How do you plead to the offense of theft? Guilty or not guilty?
Yes, but I didn't say that much, $2,000 worth for anything.
No. What is a theft? You're charged with theft. I'll be giving you the range of punishment.
Oh, okay.
Okay, so you've worked out a deal, 3 days in jail, credit for the 9 days. What is it? Is it a Walmart? Their problem also compounding this is you will not be getting out today because you have picked up an unauthorized use of a motor vehicle. Your bond is set at $10,000. So until you make that bond, you're kind of stuck in there.
I'm seeing Timberwood Shopping Center. I know there's a specs there, but I think it's like a shopping mall, so.
That's where the theft is from.
It is a dollar store right there. Yes,
Okay.
sir.
Is it true or untrue?
Yes, sir. It's true.
Okay. We wish you the best of luck. All right.
All right, thank you.
Okay. Stephen. Thanks. All right. Good morning, Ms. Russell.
How you doing?
How are you?
Great.
So it looks like to me you are wanted out of North Carolina, specifically Wake County, for all felony probation violation, another probation violation, and a misdemeanor probation violation. So it looks like 3 felony probation violations and a misdemeanor probation violation. What's more is that you were on bond for a fraud case here. God, the bond was at nearly $500,000. It looks like that was just recently disposed of on the 7th of this month as well.
I got time, sir.
Well, 180 days state jail, I guess, right? So Amy, what's going on now?
Yes, so the manager switching for pick up on November 5th. We were just bringing it out so we said, watch our application.
So there's a pre-signed waiver.
Yeah, we already entered it on October 17th.
Got it. So a couple things you need to understand. Depending on where you get on probation, when you get on probation, especially on felony cases, you sign something it's called a pre-signed waiver. You sign a document saying, okay, look, by signing for this probation, I agree to waive formal extradition so that you can never fight extradition if you're ever picked up in another state, another county, or whatever. In that respect, even if I wanted to give you a bond, I can't because you've already waived extradition as it is. So I can't give you a bond. We typically just wait. And as a matter, it's 30 days that they have to come pick you up, not the normal 14, because it's a pre-signed waiver. At that point, it's a 30-day wait that we give them for North Carolina to come get you.
Why I came court today, I signed my waiver on the 16th, my day started on the 16th, the 14th. And they said they wanted the extra 5 days, but my mama talked to my attorney, they said they're not coming to get me, sir. It's old, 7 years old, they're not coming.
Well, and if that's the case, then once the 30-day runs, at that point, they'll issue a nollie and then they'll get out of here.
On the 16th, my day started on the 16th, I'm aware that I signed my waiver and they said that, you signed off on it for an extra 5 days. They said they asked for extra 5 days. My attorney.
It's still within the 30 days though, right, Amy?
Yes, yes.
It's still within the 30 days.
Yeah.
So it's still, I mean, we're not doing anything to you.
So the extra
that's-
5 days that they said that they want to come and get me. If they don't come and get me by what, November 4th, do y'all release me?
What's the date?
Her very last reset date is November 18th, also we're trying to for that, so we have her next reset to be November 6th. Because they want,
Have you spoken to North Carolina?
yes, and they're scheduled for November 5th, I believe.
So they've spoken to North Carolina. North Carolina is still interested in you, and they're indicating that they're going to come get you. So I don't know who your mom talked to, but they're talking to the sheriff's office and the DA over there, and they've indicated.
Can you tell me why it's on the 18th and my day started on the 16th? I signed with you on the 16th. Can you tell me that, please? I signed on the 16th, sir.
So the 16th was the original waiver.
Yeah.
That was the 14 days, but then we had to get an extension, which is why we entered the.
So it's 5 days from the 14th. That's what it is. No. Remember, it's a 30-day window that they have to come get you, not the
I signed
14th.
on the 16th. I didn't go to court on the 18th. I signed on the 16th. That's what I'm not understanding. I got the paper.
Okay. I mean, it's still within the 30 days. Okay. So they have up to 30 days. Sometimes they need a little bit more time. As long as it's within the 30 days, it's fine. It's not an issue. But they have up to 30 days to come get you.
Okay, so what you mean by November?
So I don't know what the actual day that they're going to come. I have no idea. So I'm not going to commit to an answer for you because I just don't know what day they're actually going to come. It's just that they have 30 days to come get you, and that's what's going to happen.
Talk to the prosecutor.
Don't talk to her.
So if November 5th, they don't come and get me, then what? I got to come back to court or what? That's what I want to know. I'm not
No,
understanding.
they have until the 16th of the following month. Theoretically, they have the 30 days to come get you. Now, we try to get them to come quicker, but sometimes they do, sometimes they don't. It depends on how many other people in other jurisdiction, other state that they have to come get. But they try to do everything at one time so they don't continue, because every time they come pick you up, it's $3,000 there, $4,000 there. So they try to do everything at one time to maximize spending, so they're not wasteful. When you get on probation, fulfill your probation, because when you don't, and when you end up with these violations, this is what happens.
I'm sorry. Thank you.
Right now, come on this way.
Wow, passive aggressive.